Hello everyone, myself Ruthik Sharagara Kurupudi. Today I have explained model number 4, Backend Development Capstone project which is based on get you to subs- subscribers. Okay. Now this is the instruction which is given by the Almabetter. So from this instruction I can make this project. Okay. Now without any wasting time, let's put this content must have one. Okay. So this is my repository, GitHub repository. So I already uploaded this repository with definite file and folders. Okay. There is an instruction which is given. This instruction can be followed one by one. Okay. Now features is this project is get subscriber channel name. Okay. Subscriber name and subscriber name with their specified ID. Okay. Now there is a features which is beneficial to the using get method. Okay. Now explore this readme file one by one. Okay, with definite steps. So first is second from third step is requirements with their link. Now clicking this link. Okay, MongoDB community server. I have already downloaded the file and already installed it in this system. Okay. Similarly, Node.js. Okay. Simply just clicking, you can download it from the respective link. Okay. Now there is a two method which is deploy from project. First is the run local server and second is the run live server. So I prefer first local server. Okay, to run this command in the respective system. Okay, so first we run method one. Now clone this project by simply copy this link and paste into the respective terminal for a respective deployment platform like Windows or Linux. Okay, now by clicking just I skipping this three steps. Okay, I simply explain. Okay, go to the project directory, then type this command. You just copy and then paste it. I simply demonstrate simple. Okay, like this. Okay, simply just copy, then simply just right click and take it. Okay, there is downloaded file like this. Okay, close that and simply just copy and then paste. Okay, so this is method from your side. I have already downloaded this file, so I am skipping this part. Okay. Now, if this command is optional, because if you have already have a package which is installed it in the Node.js, you can simply skip this file. Otherwise, you have copy and install that all the dependencies required to run this project. Okay. Now, their main command is soup. Okay. Get the MongoDB database and run the project. Okay. This command can simply I have copy and then paste into the respective document. Simply this copy, then paste in the respective component. Okay, to run the project. Now copy this first command by this and run with the Visual Studio Code. If I do not have Visual Studio Code, then download to the respective link. Okay. Now just go to the Visual Studio link and right click. Okay. Your command can be forwarded to the terminal and hit enter. They already connected to the URL below. Now, how to check this is connected or not? By go to the search bar and type MongoDB. Okay, simply there is your environment, database environment, just connect it and go to the test table. This is the subscriber name table. Go to it. Now, this is my input data which is taken into the respective command. Okay, now minimize it and now how this command can be run? This command can be run to the SRC create database. Okay, and there is data can be taken to the data.json. Okay, this is the JSON that format can be given as. Okay, you can also edit this file with their respective name, means YouTuber name with respect to channel name. Okay. Hmm. Now we have main goal to run this project. So minimize it, copy to this command to run this project. or simply to type it. Okay, so I am preferable to type no. Okay, no index dot index. Okay, hit enter. This ignore this command. Okay, now go to the app listening port with respect to 30. So I have minimized it and into the new tab and type local host. Okay, just wait a minute. So there is some minor changes can be done. Okay, you have simply run this command like that. No src. Okay, index dot. Okay. Now this can be port can be changed. Now refresh it. Okay. Now if you are running as a local server, click on the http dot localhost dot 3000. Now with respect to the given statement in this following that subscribers means retrieval of that subscriber, retrieval of subscriber with retrieval with subscribe with definite id. Okay, now simply there is a API reference which is given from my side. If we get that subscriber, we can show the four value. It is id, youtuber name, youtube channel name, and their subscription date. Okay, now just clicking on that and simply write out. There is a syntax can be given. Okay, there is an example section can be given and also doing as a schema. Now if we execute this command by it, we give the response body with their output which is saved in our database means mongo. Okay, we are connected it then click it. Okay, the compared output value we have simply see this. Okay, like that. This is the backend of that code. Okay, this is a front end. Similarly, if we execute subscriber that name means from the API reference we get a two value that is name and subscriber channel. So let's try it. Okay, get right out then execute. Okay, then there is a name with their subscriber name. Okay, with their API reference you can see this can be given at it. Okay, now on next API subscriber that id. Similarly, we give the four parameters id, name, subscriber channel, and their respective date. Just similar to the previous. Okay. If but there is a minor change. In Pathfire ID. Now I have not an ID of a particular YouTuber. So I simply copy that any one ID. So I take as a Alan DIY builder. Okay. Simply just copy that ID. Okay. Now go to the subscriber ID and simply paste the ID. Then execute the block. With respective ID, they can show the response of their body. Okay. In this way, we can explore the subscriber one by one. Okay. Now, this is the method of local server. Now go to the live server. Now you run this without any requirement. Just click on their link. Okay. There is a link open to the respective. Just wait and watch. Okay. This is based on the link. Okay. Similar in the previous recently we can do in a local server. Just do in same in live server. Okay. Just clicking on the server. But in the minor changes is that if you run this project in the live server, just click on this module core in the backend dialog. If you run as a local server, just click on that local 3000. Okay. Now I have come into the live server, so just click on that server and get subscribe by using simply just save. Click execute, then we can get the value. Okay. Similarly, subscriber name, write out and then execute, get the value. It is like similar. Okay. Similar way with ID, but I have not ID, so I just copy from the subscriber. I take other ID. Okay, like that is just simply copy. I try it, so just clicking on it and get that ID. So execute it. We get the output. Okay, this project is basically simply based on this front end. Okay, now read this content one by one from the GitHub. I already uploaded this project, so that is from my side. Thank you.